just Skyline.
So over here on this side, we got all the seam sealer still. It looks, it's all painted red. It looks like toothpaste. All that stuff has to come out because we're gonna reseal it.
You're gonna reseam it?
We're gonna reseam it. Yeah.
Eye protection is good protection.
Eye protection is good. This isn't the best though. Jonas has the best. I have the okay ones, but honestly with these, it's the fucking wheel that is the problem. Because these little Johnnies come out, fly out, and fucking get stuck in your face, and you gotta pull them out.
Does it taste good?
Doesn't taste good. I've got them on my mouth before.
Yeah. So this dude is a knotted wire wheel, and these guys are twisted on the ends, so they're a lot stiffer than like your standard wire wheel. This dude's been doing work.
Are you getting hit with them too?
This dude kind of untwisted and it started throwing these dudes at us, so we're switching it out for the new one. This is slightly different. I don't know if it's gonna cut harder, but it looks scarier.
It's very scary. It's like shiny, dude. It's got like diamond edges. They shimmer in the light.
Now that we have a bunch of exposed metal, we're gonna put some self-etching primer on. This will help.
Science.
It's what we're gonna use. Yeah, I'm so nervous right now.
The seals have been seamed.
Looks like you're doing it right.
The Mortal Kombat sex version.
I was told that if you run some lacquer thinner over the top of it, you can smooth it out. And I'm really banking on that because it looks like shit right now.
Hey, you! Do you know that the little big boy shirts are on sale right now? Yeah, you better go get one. We're gonna stop the sale at Halloween. And you know what kind of shirts we got? We got the Save the Skyline shirts and the Toaster Chicken shirts, $10 off. Go buy one for your mom.
I've already never seen two girls in a cup. So celebrity, like everybody likes that hamster in his butt.
Oh, yeah, fuck. Oh, shit. No, it was a gerbil.
Yeah.
I forget who it was though. Fuck.
doesn't believe it. They come like that.
They don't. That is not natural. Look at this side. It's normal. What happened over there?
Are you going?
Yeah, I have a feeling you're going too. I think Sam's bringing you your seat. Oh wait.
New program.